Hello, my name is Jahangir Sarkar from Budget, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use the vector maker Photoshop action in Photoshop. Okay, so this is the vector Photoshop action. There is only one component, so this is very easy to use. So before play the action, let me show how can you make with this action. Okay, so I did make this effect from this image using this my action, and this is also I just make this effect from this image, and there is many more example I just showed. Okay, so here also you can create t-shirt very easily. So let me show how can you use this action. Okay, so first thing we need to use any kind of image. So first you need to open the image in Photoshop, and then you just need to install this Photoshop action. Okay, so you can install many different way, drag and drop, just click and drag and drop in Photoshop, or you can install it manually. Just click the action panel and option and load the action, and locate your action. Okay, so my action is here. Just select load. The action already installed successfully. Okay, now we need to confirm our layer is background layer. So this is the background layer, and if not background layer, we need to convert it as background. So just select, if your layer something like this, this is not background layer, so select the layer and just go to layer, new, and background from layer. Okay, and now we are ready to go. Just select the vector output and just play. Okay, and then we get a message. Please read the message very carefully before continue the action and get the best result. Okay, please hit the stop button from below. This is the stop button, and select your desired area using quick selection tool or any other selection tool which are offered Photoshop, and then click the play button. Okay, so I just stop it and select the quick selection tool. You can select any other tool you like. Just select your desired area. Okay, I just selecting this area. Okay, select this area. Okay, and then we need to play again. Just play. We have to wait some time for until done the action. Okay, so action almost done. It's loading some component, and now press continue and save version 1 as AI vector. Okay, so if you wish to use this vector in Adobe Illustrator, so this time to save for the Illustrator version. So we'll save two versions of Illustrator, one for light and one for dark. Okay, so just continue and okay, and save version 1. And this is the version 2. Okay, version 2. Okay, save. Okay, our action almost done, and now you get a layer camp, right? So you can choose any of this variation you like. So there is three variation. One is for customization, another is for dark, and last one is light. Okay, so let me show how can you use this variation. First I select the light version. That means your object will be light and background will be dark. Okay, so if you wish to use the light version, you just select the light and dark. Your background is light and object will be dark. Okay, so you can change the color also. This is the dark version, and you can change this any color, just something like this. And you can also change the background. Okay, this is the light background, and I can change any color. Okay, and if you want to use the light version, just select the light and change background color. Light version background color should be dark. Okay, so I'm just using the dark background, and you can change the color, object color. Okay, just select the light color and choose any light color. Okay, and you have also customization. So select the customization and expand the customize vector, and then there is two option. One is for threshold and another is for exposure. So double click here, then change the slider, and you will get some change. Okay, something like this. And you have also exposure. So if you want to exposure, just change the slider and play around with it. Okay, and now we can use this vector in Adobe Illustrator, which already we saved. Okay, just open the Adobe Illustrator. So already we saved two versions for Adobe Illustrator. Let me open it. There is a version 1 and version 2. Okay, just open, and you just keep this step. Okay, so there is the two version. One is for light version, the version 1. I just select version 1 for light, and you need to make a background. Okay. And just arrange, bring to back. Then I just this is not for light version, maybe. Okay, yes, that is okay. So when you open it, you just see this is the vector. Okay, so you can change any color here. Just select it and change any color. Okay, any color like this. And this is the dark version. We need to change the color and something like this, and you can also use the background. So there's two variation, you can play around with it, just see which version fit for you. Okay, so I think this is good, and okay, so you can use this. So this is the vector Photoshop action, and important thing, the action, the effect will be depend on the image, what type of image you using. Some image will, if your image low resolution, and then you will get a bad result, and if your image will good resolution, you also get the best result. Okay, so that's all, and I hope you enjoy this action. If you still having any issue, please don't hesitate to contact with me. I'll happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.